Of Allah, who is most kind and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shafiq Ahmad. I am from Sindh University campus, Larkana, from the Department of Business Administration. I have been assigned to present a presentation in behalf of semester examinations due to worse and critical situation of COVID-19. I am supervised by Sir Ghulam Murtaza Sheikh in the course of Business Math. I am asked to present on four topics from the course. Here are the four topics I have chosen for my presentation: Introduction to Business Math, Linear Equation, Interest, and Percentage. So I will explain these topics one by one with their subtopics. So let's start. Here we go. Introduction to Business Math. Business math are mathematics used by commercial enterprises to record and manage business operations. Commercial organizations use mathematics in accounting, inventory management, marketing, sales, forecast, and financial analysis. Why do we study business math? Business mathematics is used executively, extensively by commercial enterprises in recording and managing business operations. Business mathematics is used in accounting, financial analysis, sales, forecast, and inventory in management. Mathematics typically used in business includes arithmetic, algebra, statistics, calculus, metrics, and algebra, and operations research. I will give you below a few examples to illustrate the usage of business mathematics to business operations. Number one, for project management, we use critical path method and CPM, and program evaluation review technique, PERT. These also involves maths. Number second, in the business world, future is very uncertain, particularly for new and small businesses. This is so because small businesses are more volatile, and there is a tracked record of newer businesses. For such businesses, we can use probability distribution to estimate future sales and earnings. Now here we are using a statistical tool. Number third, for calculating risk in the business, we use standard deviation, which is a measure of dispersion. What is difference between math and business math? Business mathematics gives the students expanded knowledge of mathematics application for personal use and business applications. Personal use application includes financing, costs and loans per producers, as well as major consumer expenses and earning, auto, houses, insurance, wages, benefits, banking, investing. Businesses application include the costs of hiring, inventory, inventory cost, and financially management and planning. Here I have completed my first presentation topic. So let's move to the second presentation topic, linear equation. Here are the outlines for second presentation topic, linear equation. What is equation? What is linear equation? Parts of an equation. Solving linear equation. What is an equation? An equation is a statement that two mathematical expressions are equivalent, or equal. For example, x plus 7 is equal to 11, 7 minus 3x is equal to 2 minus 3x. An equation is a mathematical statement where in two expressions are set equal to each other. What is linear equation? Linear equation is a first degree equation as it has a highest exponent of variable as 1. For example, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, 2y is equal to 8, 3x minus y plus z is equal to 3. Parts of an equation. variable. Number one, variable. A variable is a symbol for a number we don't know yet. It is usually a letter like x or y, etc. For example, x, y, z, a, b, c, and so on. The second one is constant. A number on it is called constant. Something in variable are unchanging, such as a ratio a number that has a fixed value in a given situation. For example, 7, 4, 32, 125, and etc. Third one is coefficient. A coefficient is a number used to multiply a variable. For example, 8x means 8 times x. So 8 is coefficient of 8 is a coefficient. Number 4, operator. An operator is a symbol such as plus, multiply, minus, etc. That shows an operation. We want to do something with the values. Number 5, term. A term is either a single number or a variable, or numbers and variables multiplied together. Number 6, expression. An expression is a group of terms. The terms are separated by plus or minus signs. 7th is exponent. The exponent, such as the 2 in x square, says how many times to use the value in a multiplication. Polynomials. Example of polynomials is 5x square plus x minus 2. A polynomial can have constant, variable, and the exponents 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. But it never has division by a variable. Polynomial has a three types of three parts: monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Monomial contains one pair, binomial 2 pairs, and trinomial 3 pairs. There are special names for polynomial with 1, 2, or 3 terms. For example, there is a problem 4x minus x is equal to 15. Solution: there is a value of x is 1, and the 4 has a expression of plus, so it will be minus each other, subtracted each other. The answer will be 3x is equal to 15. Now we have to get a value of x. So x is equal to 15, and we take the 3 in the division, means 15 upon 3. The answer will be 5. Example number 2, 7y plus 3 is equal to 31. Now we have to find. Now we will solve this. 7y is equal to 31 minus 3. Now we have to find the value of y. So we will put the 7 in the division. So there are we subtracted 31 from the 3 from 31. So there will be 28 upon 7. So answer will be 4. Example number 3. Solution: 3 bracket start x plus 2 bracket over is equal to 5 bracket start small bracket start x plus 4 small bracket over. Now we have to multiply 3 with the whole bracket, means 3 into x, 3x, and plus will be remain same, and 3 into 2 is equal to 6, and on the other hand we have to multiply 5 with the whole bracket. 5 into x is 5, plus will be remain same, 5 into 4 is equal to 20. We will put the consonant with components. So there is a 3x we have taken, and we have taken from the other side of the equation. So there were plus, and when we brought it to the left side, so it will be changed by it will change its expression by minus. So there is a 3x minus 5x, and we have put the 6 to the right side, and 6 was the expression of plus. So when we put the 6 on the right side, that will change his expression in the minus. So it has become now 20 minus 6. So means there is a solution that 3x is in the plus and 5x in the minus. So the value is 2x minus 2x remaining, and the other side of the sum 20 minus 6 means 14. Now we have to find the value of x, so we will remain x and will put the minus x to the left side in the division. 14 upon minus 2, it will be the answer of the x is equal to minus 7. The answer is minus 7. So here I have completed my second presentation topic. Let's move to the third one, interest. What is interest? The amount paid at the stated rate for use of money for specific time. We can also say that the rent, simple interest, is almost the most often used for loans of shorter durations. Number second definition, charge a borrowed money at annual percentage rate is interest. In simple definition, I just told you, an extra amount paid on the borrowed or received money. We pay on the in a specific time period. So this is called interest. Kinds of interest: compound interest and simple interest. What is simple interest? The simple interest of a loan can be calculated using the following formula: SI is equal to PRT. There are PRT is the abbreviation, P is the abbreviated principal amount which is borrowed or received, rate or interest rate per year in decimal form, T is stand for time in time duration. Simple interest. There is a problem. For example, Kabir receives loan amount of 1200 on the rate of 10% in 3 years. Find the simple interest and amount. Solution: SI, simple interest, is equal to PRT. Simple interest is equal to 1200. There the principal amount is of 1200, and the 10% will be when we divided by 100, it will be the 0.1, and 3 is stand for the time period. We have to pay in 3 years. So the simple interest will be the 360. Now we have to find the amount. The formula of amount is P plus simple interest. Amount is equal 1200 plus 360, which we have find simple interest. Principal amount is 1200 and the simple interest is 360. So it will be the answer 1560 answer. Compound interest. Compound interest is based on the principles which changes from time to time. For example, rupees 20,000 invested on the rate of 10% for 4 years. Simple interest, and find simple interest on and amount. Here I have mentioned the table compound of simple interest and the computation. Here I have mentioned the mentioned 5 columns: years, principal rate, principal amount, rate, interest, and amount. The principal amount is 20,000 and the rate is 10%, and when we find the interest on 20,000, it will be the 2,000. So the compound of simple interest increase annually. Here I have mentioned in the first year the principal amount was 20,000 and the rate was 10% and interest was 2,000. So on the end of the on the first year we have to pay 22,000, and on the second year, the principal amount of 20,000 on the 10% and 2,000 of interest we have to pay. We will have to pay. We would have to pay 24,000 on a third year, 26,000, and a 4 year, 28,000. So here I have completed my third presentation topic, and let's move to the fourth and last one, percentage. Definition of percentage. The term percentage means out of 100. In mathematics, percentage are used like fraction and decimal as a ways to describe part of a whole. When you are using percentage, the whole is considered to the made up of 100 equal part and the symbol percent, and the symbol is percent is used to show that a number is a percentage. Solution of problems. There is the first problem. A man paid rupees 1650 as a zakat. Find the amount on which zakat was paid. Here we can see we have to find the actual amount. What was the actual amount on that zakat was paid? So here is the formula for finding the actual amount is equal to part of quantity into 100 divided by 2.5. The 2.5 is the amount of zakat. In any condition we have to pay 2.5 from the whole amount we on the paid. Now solution. Actual amount is equal to part of quantity, which is part of quantity was the zakat was paid 1650. We multiplied with 100 and divided with 2.5. The answer will be 66,000. Means we have paid 1650 rupees on the total amount of 66,000. Here is the second problem. Akram obtained 510 marks out of 850. Find the percentage of obtained marks. Means here we have to find the percentage. What percent Akram obtained on these marks. So here the formula for percentage: part of quantity multiplied by 100 divided by actual quantity. What is the part of quantity? Part of quantity is 510, and we have to multiply with it 100, and the actual quantity was 850. Means actual quantity means all total marks. So when we solve this problem, the answer will be 60%. Third problem. A farmer pays 5% commission on the sale of 5,000 rupees. Find the amount received by the farmer after paying commission. Formula. Here we have to find the commission on 500. What commission on farmer paid on the total amount of sale. Here the formula for part of quantity. Means we have to find the part of quantity. Formula as part of quantity is equal to actual quantity into a percentage and divided by 100. Actual amount is 500 and we have to multiply with it a percentage. The 5% was the commission and it will be divided by 100. The answer will be 250 rupees. The 250 rupees was paid 5% commission on 500 of sale. So here we have find the part of quantity, and I have completed my 4 presentation topics. I hope you learn from something my lecture. So I am thankful to my 4 presentation topics. So I hope you have learned something from my lecture. So I am thankful to you all who are watching my video, and special thanks to Mr. Gulam Murtaza, my supervisor, my teacher, my honorable teacher. So I am thankful to him because he has given me that opportunity that I am uploading my work on that type of platform which is globally recognized. Thank you again, Sir Ghulam Murtaza, for giving that opportunity. Thank you very much.